Hi everyone, welcome to Last Minute Coders. My name is Vinay. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to read PDF inside our Canvas app without using any flows. Okay. So this is the demo app that I've created for you guys. On my left hand side, I have one gallery where I have connected my document library of SharePoint. So this is my document library from where I have like these three PDF files with me that create canvas from sample overview of building this thing, set up the expense report PDF. Let me open the setup expense report PDF so you can see up here. Like this is the PDF and this is the data inside it. And let me just show you the same PDF inside our Canvas app so you can see up here. And this is a PDF viewer experimental control inside our Canvas app where we are seeing this PDF. Okay, well and good. Let me change another PDF. So when we change from one PDF to another, the loading takes some time. So I've created one loading screen as well. Okay, so you can see up here as soon as I change the PDF, so you see this loading, please wait. So I have created this thing. Okay, because it takes like 5 to 7 seconds to change, so I've set the timer to 5-7 seconds. So for 5-7 seconds I'll have this loading, please wait. This container, I've created one container which will just turn on for 5-7 seconds and it will automatically turn off. Okay, so the end user doesn't face any what you say inconsistency. Let's say if they change from this PDF to this one, see up here what are the Canvas app, you are seeing what are the Canvas app, and if I click on this setup expense report below, see what are the Canvas report is there. So it takes little bit time to change from one PDF to another. That is why we have to make like this loading kind of a screen. Okay, so let's learn like how I made this. I hope you guys are excited, and if you are, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming notification on such videos. And let's start this one. So for this video, let me create another screen. So let's wait. Yeah, so I've created one screen. Let me just copy this label from screen number 2 to screen number 4. Let me paste it here. Okay, well and good. Now where is this PDF viewer control is? If you go to media, let me close this, popular input display layout media, open this media, and the second last one, PDF viewer experimental, select this. You will see like this black little, not I can say black, but yeah, transparent black screen. But here we have some demo PDF with us. Yeah, so this is a PDF, this is sample PDF provided by Microsoft or Canvas app itself. Now in my screen number 2, in my PDF, I have this controls up here, right? So how did I created this control, or have I created it, or they are present inside this PDF viewer experimental control itself? So I haven't created anything, they are already present inside it. We just have to enable them. So let me just click on this PDF viewer, go to advanced, scroll all the way to the down here, see show control. I'll click on it, see up here the property show control. Currently it is false, let me turn it to true. And here I'm seeing the controls in this page itself. Let me click up here, see next page, previous page. I can search any text. Let's search for lorem. So here, see, we can search the text as well. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. So these are some of the basic features provided by PDF viewer experimental control inside our Canvas app. Now let us say if I have this let me go back. If I have this PDF with me, okay, this overview of Canvas app, and let me open it in browser like this. So see, this PDF is associated with this link, right? Let me copy this link. Let me go up here in my Canvas app, go to properties. This PDF viewer has one property called documents. So in document, we provide sample PDF. Here, see, sample PDF is written, right? We have to provide our PDF here. So it is saying that it requires a data type blob. Okay, so let me provide like this link inside double quotes. Okay, see, I provided this link, but let us see that if it will work, or if it will fail, or it will throw error, or what, or if it will show the PDF or not. So see, couldn't open the PDF, it is saying open in my browser instead. So if I click up here, So I'm able to open this. So this link do contain a PDF, but this PDF viewer doesn't support this link. Alright, so what link? It requires a link, okay, but what link it requires, so we will see that. For that, what I'll suggest you guys that to have this attachment control with you, and let me paste this attachment control here. So if you don't know how to and where this attachment control is, I'll just guide you. If you go up here now, click on this insert, you will not find this attachment control anywhere, okay, inside these control. Let me search for attachment. So see, there is no such control named as attachment control. So where can we get this? You have to go to data section, add any list. Here I have sample list attached. You can attach any SharePoint list, okay, inside your data section. Once you do that, click on insert, click on popular, click on edit form, add one form, and in its data source provide that sample list, okay. So once you do this, so just wait and see, you will have this. Let me decrease its size. So you will have this attachment control inside this form. So just copy it from here, paste below. See, copy it from here, paste below, and whatever error you are seeing, just remove the code, okay. Just click here, edit in formula bar, and just remove the code. It is that simple, okay. 4 times you have to do it, and done. Now the error is gone, and then you can simply click on your form. My form is here, and this is screen number 4. I can delete this form, and I don't need like 2 data cards, 1 is fine, okay. So yeah, well and good. So I have this attachment control with me, so let me play it. Let me attach some PDF in it. Let me attach this introduction to PowerApps PDF. Now what I wanted to show you, so this, when I attach this PDF here in this attachment control, so it might be saving in some location, right? It is not that like it is not a magic happening here, right? It is storing in some blob location only, okay. So if I go to insert and let us see like where it is saving. So let me increase its size. Firstly, how can I get like this PDF name? Firstly, I'll copy this. So I have to use like if I say dot attachments, but it will throw me an error. So I have to use last function, because this is a table. I just, from this whole table, I just need to extract the last file name. If I write like dot name, so here we will see the name of the file, this PDF file. So see, we are seeing the name, right? Similar way we can see the value or where this file is stored, okay. So see, we are seeing this, right? Apres / colon see colon / blob manager. So see, we are seeing this location. Let me just use this and just paste it here, and let us see like will this show our PDF or not. So let's wait and see. So yeah, we are able to see our PDF. Isn't it amazing? Like, we just need like this kind of link, apres colon / blob manager / okay, like this we can view our PDF. And here I just showed you one example, like you can have your this thing attachment control, and you can attach the PDF here, and you can simply just view your PDF. Isn't it amazing, right? So one way of doing is this, but let's say if I wanted to show like these PDF, so let me first go to here LMC dev, and here I'll go to site content. What I would suggest you guys, if in your document library, if you have like so many items, like here I have 42 items, so it's not a good way like to add PDF inside it. Better like we should go to site content and create one more document library with the name PDF files, okay, and don't show in site navigation, okay. Hit on create. So we have this thing. Let me upload files up here. So let's upload these files and let's wait. So these files will be uploaded. I think there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 files. Okay, now I'll go to my data section. I'll hit on add data connector SharePoint. Click on your connection and then search for your site. My site that I'm going to use is this LMC dev, and I clicked on it. See, I created this document library, right, PDF file. So I'll select this one, I'll hit on connect, and once I do it, I'll see that document library up here. See, okay, well and good. So one way of doing is this. Let me decrease its size a bit. Okay, I just showed you, like we just need this link, appress://blob manager/ and then whatever. So it will show us the PDF. This PDF viewer required this link, this blob link. Okay, so this is what a blob data type is inside our Canvas app. Okay, well and good. Now let me insert one vertical gallery. I'll connect this gallery with this PDF files, and here let me just decrease its size. Just give me a sec. Okay, and here in place of dot title, I'll say file name with extension. Okay, so the name of the file I'll get. I don't need this one. I'll just show the file name. That's it. Just remove, if you get error, just remove it, and manually we will align it. Okay, so well and good. Let me increase its size. Alright, let me increase its size. So well and good. Here, if you wanted to show like PDF image, so I have the SVG code with me and my screen too. I'll click up here, and here like I have written one code. Let me just firstly copy this code, then I'll explain this code a little bit later on. I'll go to this screen, click on this image icon, paste this up here, and see this up here. So what we have written, we are saying that if our file extension is ending with PDF, so here see whatever files we have now, they are ending with .pdf, right? PDF. So if they are ending with PDF, use this SVG. So I'll provide this code in the description. You can use this SVG code. So this code is just displaying that PDF file, and this is a SVG for file icon. Okay, so you can also use like this very simple code, and these SVG code you can like browse online, so you can get SVG code, not a very big deal. Okay, so anyway, like if you do this, you will get this PDF kind of image. Okay, well and good. And if you don't want to like do this, and here like you are only showing like PDF, so simply you can select the image as well. Okay, directly select the PDF image, and that will also work. All right, that is fine. But here now, first thing first, let me firstly decrease its size. Let me copy this label and let me paste it up here. Now that we have this this document library connected here in our Canvas app, but how can I get like this link? Okay, how can I get this link? How this link is coming when I'm attaching some file, okay, from my local, then I'm and it is storing this file in some local inside my Canvas app. But with Canvas app, how can we, sorry, but with this gallery, okay, with this gallery which is connected to this document library, how can I get the same link? Is there a way? Yes, so there is a way. So how to do it? So for that, what you need to do is you need to hit on add column. Okay, firstly, so you will hit on add column. There is a column called hyperlink. Okay, click on hyperlink, click on next. Once you do this, just name this column as, let's say, I'll say fly, or I'll say blob. Okay, I'll say blob data. Okay, so its type is what? Hyperlink. Okay, I'll save it. This first one, conditional formatting PowerApps, I'll double click on it. Sorry, not double click, but right click on it and go to its detail. I'll copy its path. See, I'll copy its path. So once you copy its path, let me open up here, and if I paste its path up here, so see this, its path is opening this, right? This PDF. Okay, well and good. So I'll copied this path, and I'll go to blob data. See, it is a hyperlink column. I'll paste this link up here. Okay, well and good. So once we do this, so see, here we are seeing this link. Now most of you are wondering like what this will do. Okay, we got the link. Okay, well and good. I'll go to my Canvas app. If I go to my data section, I'll refresh it up here. Let this refresh get finished. And let me say something like, what is the name of this gallery? Is gallery 2. Let me copy the name, and here let's write like gallery 2 dot selected dot this blob data. Let me write like this. Okay, if I write like this, again I am seeing this link https / then this is my host name, then site name, so like this. But I'm not getting this. How can I convert this link to this link? Appress, because if I use this link now, again see, if I copy this and here in my this PDF viewer, if I paste this link, let me decrease its size, increase this size. See, I've used this one. Let's play, and let's wait for a few seconds. See, again it is saying couldn't open PDF file. If I go up here and see, here I am seeing this link, and this PDF viewer is also connected to this link, but again it will say can't open your file. It will say something like this. So let's wait. See, couldn't open PDF file, it is saying, because it requires like this location it requires. Okay, so this kind of link it requires. So how can we convert this link to this link? Okay, so for that again go to your SharePoint. See this blob data, right? Now this is currently a hyperlink. We need to change this link to a image file. How we can do that? See, go to your setting on the top, go to library settings, click on more library settings. Here scroll down, here see blob data, hyperlink or picture. It can be a hyperlink or picture. We have to make it a picture. Okay, I'll click on this blob data and let's wait for a sec. See, currently format URL as hyperlink, and as soon as I change it to picture and I hit on OK, so see up here, if I go back this time, if I refresh this PDF files, just see the change. See the change in the link. Okay, once this refresh is finished, it is loading, and here now the link is converted to this, right? Isn't it amazing? And I am seeing my PDF as well. Okay, so amazing, right? So this is how we convert our normal link to this Appress link, and this PDF viewer understand this link. So we just had to make this blob data change the type of this blob data from hyperlink to picture. Okay, we have to format its URL as picture, and this picture contain like this kind of a link. Well and good. So once like this is done, let me again go back to settings. From settings I can go to PDF files. So here see, for this I have created, okay, let me firstly refresh up here. For this blob, let me decrease its size. Okay, so for the first one I created, but for second one again I have to, let's say if I have 5,000 files, PDF files, so it is not good approach, right? Again go to details, copy the path like this, pasting the path up here. Okay, so this is not a good approach. Okay, I need to do for all my PDFs. So can we make this dynamic? Yes, we can. Inside our Canvas app we can make this dynamic, because if we try to open any other file now, it will not open. See, we are not seeing the link up here, right? For this we are seeing, because in our backend we have created data for this one, blob data for this one. For barcode also we will see. If you see up here, let me play it, and here see, for barcode also I have created in the backend. Was it this one? Okay, I did changes there, but I haven't refreshed it up here. So as soon as I refresh it up here, I can see for barcode as well. So see, for barcode also I am seeing this data, this link up here. For this also, for conditional formatting, I am seeing this link up here, but for these I don't have. So how can I make this link for these also? So let's see that. Firstly, what I would suggest, you just copy this code. Okay, once you get this code, just copy this code. Okay, once you copy this code, just instead of this time connecting it dynamically, what I would suggest you just provide like inside double quote this link. Okay, so till here like it is fine, but here see get file content by path. So this path is the only thing that we need to like make dynamic. Like till here, like if you see now for every link, like they are exactly the same. So the only thing that we need to change is this path. Okay, so let me here, and I'll say here make path dynamic. So that's the only thing that we need to do. Okay, now what I'll do is let me just decrease its size. Let me copy this label. So how can we get this file path? So for that, what we have let's say gallery 2 dot selected dot full path. We have full path, folder path, and full path. So use full path. Okay, so see this is my full path, correct? But if you see up here in this link, are you seeing any spaces? No, right? In place of spaces we have this percentile sign. There are a special character, okay, in place of this. So how can we like change this thing to like this? So for that we have encode URL encode URL function with us. So we will do that only. Okay, so if I write like this encode URL and close it, let's wait. Okay, once you do this, see it converted a space to this percentile sign, and it is adding some number to it, percentile 20. Maybe this percentile 20 means a space, percentile 2f means something else. Okay, so it is like it will convert a simple, what you say, plain text to this one encoded URL. Okay, which we use inside our links. Okay, so this is fine. Now we got our path, we have made our path dynamic. Let me copy this up here, and here where I've written make path dynamic, I'll paste this thing up here. Once I do this, so our whole thing is done. Let me like copy this whole code, click on this, and in place of this I'll use this code, and let me decrease its size. Okay, let's change PDF again. Like there is some issue. Let's check. Yeah, after percentile 3f we have this path also, right? I deleted this by mistake. I should not delete this. Let me copy this and go up here. So see, after this I had deleted that thing, percentile 3f path, percentile 2 5 to f, and then we have to encode this URL. Okay, now I think they both are the same, 2f. Then see after 2f this PDF is coming. So well and good. So let me just copy this time from here, and let's paste this link up here. Once we do this, I can delete this one, and see it is working. If I change the PDF, see create a canvas app from sample template. So see create a canvas app from sample template. So see if I'm like changing the PDF, see up here it is taking little bit time, right? So that is why I've created that loading screen. Now I don't even need this label. That was just for an example. So see up here. Okay, so introduction to PowerApps. See, I changed here, but it took some time. So that is why like I created that loading screen as well. See, I clicked on this push notification, but still we are seeing the previous one. So we can have a loading screen up here. So how did I created it? So let me first fix it. Let's fix this also. This also we don't need. It's just to give you guys an example. Okay, here now how did I created this? So see on your screen, click on insert, go to layout, last on container. Just place your container above your PDF viewer, exactly like its XY and its width height should be the same as your PDF viewer. Okay, you can make it dynamic anyways. Here we will not waste time in making it dynamic. I'll go to custom. Here, see, I'll change its color to white. See, you see this circle up here. I'll move it on the top right corner, and here, see, this is the transparency. I'll make it like 90%. So see, as soon as I make it 90%, you see up here, now this container covered this PDF viewer. Okay, I'll hit on insert, add one label. Okay, and this label, to center align it, you can keep its X, Y and width same as its parent. Okay, and make it text align center, and this vertical align is anyways middle. You can change its font size to 20, and this font weight to semi bold, and here in text you can write please wait, data is loading, something like this. You can say anything. Okay, like you can give any text up here. You can also add a spinners and all, but let's not do that. I'll have this. Once I have this, what I need to do is on select of this, right, on select of this gallery, what should happen? On select of this gallery, set where start timer to true. Now you might be wondering what is a timer, so I'll create one timer. Okay, timer. So for how many seconds do I have to show this loading screen? So we can make this static. So see, this currently it is written like 60,000. So 60,000 means 60 seconds, because this is millisecond duration you see up here, right? So this is 60 second. No, for let's say 5 second I wanted to show. So 5,000 I'll write 5,000 millisecond, which is equivalent to 5 second, and it will start once I change this gallery values. Okay, so how will I do that? So on select, there is one property called, let me click on this gallery first, on select. So here, see, I'm setting this where start timer. So I'll copy here, not double M, 1M is fine. I'll copy here, click on this, and we have in our timer we have one start property. So here I'll paste it where start timer. So as soon as I click on this gallery, so this timer will start. So see, currently timer is 00, right? So let me just select this format, conditional format, and here see timer start 4, 5, and it will stop. Okay, once we once it is finished, it is stopped. Okay, well and good. So what I'll also suggest you guys, whenever you write like this, right, start. So always remember, let me increase its size. So firstly make it false and then make it true. Okay, always remember like this. Okay, well and good. So when this timer start, right, on timer start, there is one property called on timer start. So we will create one more variable, set where loading screen visible, I'll say, and I'll make it true, and I'll copy this, and on timer end it will be false. Okay, and I'll use this variable, set where loading screen visible. Okay, and inside its visible property I'll use this variable, simple as that, inside this container. Okay, visible property, I'll copy this variable. So see, this time what will happen, as soon as I change it, see, I'm seeing this, and 1 2 3 4 5, after 5 seconds this loading will also go. Wait a sec, there is some issue in the code. On timer end, see, I'm making it true, I have to make it false, so sorry about it. On timer start it should be true, on timer end it will be false. Okay, so let's play again. Let's see this time. So 1 2 3 4 5, and see, gone, right? And after, see, that is why sometimes I like to keep it around 7 second. Okay, duration 7 second, because 7 second is ideal. 5 sometimes it takes little bit more time than 5, so 7 second is ideal. See, if I change this, so see, till 5 second it will run. 3 4 5, see, behind also PDF is changed, and see, so that end user will get a better user interface, okay, user experience. So it just increases the user experience. And just turn off this visible property of this thing, this timer, so that it don't show in your screen, and the functionality wise it will work just as fine, okay, because our end user doesn't know like how we are building the things. They are just concerned with the UI part, okay. So well and good, I think this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are new to the channel, I'll request you to subscribe to this channel, like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.